Okay, I'm going to try something today. I don't know how good it's going to go, but I'm going to try to review a product. Um, Many of you have probably heard of TEMU. Um, I bought this on TEMU, um, and I'm going to try it. It's wireless microphones. Uh, Currently using the microphone built in on the phone right now. I forget what I paid for it, like 16 bucks. Uh, I don't know if it shows up, but here's the charge level shows on the outside of the case. Uh, Says I'm at 86%. So we're going to hook this up. Um, I hope it works when I'm already started. Sometimes things like that don't work, but we're going to try to switch over to this. Okay, it shows a green light. Um, I think there's a light on the other thing too, but we're going to try it. I don't know if it's working or not. But there it is. I got it clipped on my lapel. My car's kind of noisy, so I'm going to actually start it up and see how it works over the noise and everything. So I'm going to head on home right now, and we'll leave it running. I might even open the window a little bit, because it's getting kind of warm in here. The sun's out, and I got a black car that warms up like a greenhouse. Oh, there we go. I tried this a little bit on a video that I didn't upload, and I thought it sounded quite well, but I wasn't moving, so I wasn't driving. I think this was $16 on TEMU. Uh, it doesn't have a brand name. A lot of their stuff doesn't have a brand name. It's made by companies that that do custom work. Uh, you can find the exact same thing on Amazon for about $20 more, uh, under several different brand names. Even Lenovo. Uh, so one thing I want to say, I've bought a few things from TeamView, and so far I've been pretty impressed. Uh, I'm going to say that the items I got were a good value for the price I paid. I'm not going to compare it to something 20 times the cost or anything like that, because you know it just doesn't make any sense to do that. I don't think. If TMU sees this and wants me to test anything else for them and make a video, let me know. I am 81 years old, but I am tech savvy. because my career has been in tech. Um, so, unlike a lot of 81-year-olds that can barely use a phone, I don't have any problem with it. I even build my own computers. We're coming to a little town here. Transmission's unstable. Got a weak signal here, so that'll probably affect both video and audio. But this program records this video, so if I want to, I can re-upload it from the phone, and it won't have this low signal issue. But yeah, this is our little town here in Mineral City. There isn't much left of the old city. Got one building here that looks like it might have been retail back in the 1900s. But this was a boom town at one time. As the name implies, Mineral City. Uh, it was a mining town. There was railroads all over the place. They've dug them all up and pulled them all out now. And it's too bad. A lot of old cities like this preserve the old stuff because they don't have anything else going. You know, never going to be like it was. So you might as well preserve what you got, because there's always people want to see what the past was. Steam trains and steam shows always draw a crowd. The one in Pennsylvania runs all year round. Okay, I guess I'm going to end that right here. That'll be good enough to test the audio. I think it's probably going to be pretty good. Bye.